everyone, think about how many times you have skimmed through job listings, only to be drawn in by a title that sparked your interest. A compelling job title is the first hook that grabs a candidate's attention and entices them to read further. It sets the tone for the entire job circular and can make the difference between attracting top talent and getting overlooked. Let's explore how to create job titles that stand out. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand the importance of an engaging job title, learn the key elements that make a job title effective, gain insights into strategies for crafting job titles that attract the right candidates. A job title is more than just a label for a position. It's a marketing tool that can influence the success of your recruitment efforts. An engaging job title captures attention and piques interest, provides a clear indication of the role, sets the tone for the job description, helps potential candidates determine if the job is a good fit. Compare marketing manager with creative marketing strategist. The latter is more engaging and provides a clear sense of the role's focus. The job title should be clear and precise, accurately reflecting the role. Avoid jargons or overly creative titles that might confuse the candidates. Instead of digital overlord, use digital marketing manager. Clarity helps candidates quickly understand the position. Ensure the job title is relevant to the industry and aligns with commonly understood terms. This improves the visibility of the job posting in search results. Software engineer is more searchable and relevant than code ninja. Keep the job title concise. Aim for a balance between being descriptive and keeping it short enough to be easily readable. Senior financial analyst is concise and to the point, whereas senior analyst for financial planning and analysis might be too lengthy. Incorporate adjectives that describe the nature of the role or the ideal candidate. This can make the title more appealing and informative. Innovative product designer or dynamic sales leader. Include elements that hint at the key responsibilities or the impact of the role. This gives candidates a better idea of what to expect. Client relationship manager indicates a focus on managing client relationships. Ensure the job title aligns with the company's culture and values. This helps attract candidates who are a good cultural fit. A startup might use a title like growth hacker, reflecting an innovative culture. While creativity can be engaging, overly creative titles can backfire by being unclear or unsearchable. Balance creativity with clarity. SEO wizard might sound fun, but SEO specialist is clearer and more professional. Create 5 job titles for a hypothetical position in a company, ensuring each title incorporates clarity, relevance, optimal length, and engagement. Creating an engaging job title might seem like a small step, but it's a very important part of the recruitment process. Both the recruiters and job seekers rely on clear job titles to search for jobs, especially on job forums, which is why it has such an important role. I suggest following the tips and tricks discussed in the lecture for a seamless recruitment process. I look forward to our next lecture. Have an amazing day.